Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 5th, 7th chapter, Circle. Today we will see radius, chord, and diameter. So, first of all, we will see what is circle. Now, here the picture of bangle is given, CD, and rounded plate. Now, what are the object? What are the shape of this object? That is, it is circular in shape. It means that what is circle? A object having circular shape is known as your circle. Clear? Now further we will see what is radius, chord and diameter. Clear, student? Now here it is shown in your slide, that is point O. O is the center of your circle. Clear, students? With the help of this center you can draw a circle. On the next end of your circle we have to mark X and we have to draw a line till OX. Clear? Then again we have to extend this line till the another point, that is Y. Understood? So what we will get over here? We will get, that is our diameter. Understood? XY is our diameter. So what is diameter? Diameter means when a line passes through the center of your circle is known as your diameter. Clear, students? So see here, segment XY is your diameter. So any line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle and passes through the center of your circle is known as your diameter. Clear? Now further we will study what is our radius. Now what you have to do now, again on the other side of your circle we have to mark Z. Then from center of your circle O you have to draw a line, that is you will get OZ. So OZ is the radius of your circle. Clear, student, everyone? So a segment that joins the center of your circle with any other point on the circle is called the radius. So OX, OY, OZ is all are your what? Radius. Clear, everyone? So you can draw multiple diameter and radius. Clear? Now further we will see what is chord. Now chord means what, student? A line segments which joins 2 points are known as your chord. As you can see in this slide, this line joins the 2 points, that is X and Y. So X and Y, the line segment joins X and Y. So X and Y is your chord. Clear, everyone? Now here the another line segment joins the 2 point, that is PQ. So PQ is also known as your chord. Clear? Now here a radius joins a point on a circle to the center. So here your radius can never be a chord. Clear? So student, you can draw a innumerable chord in your circle. Clear? Diameter is the longest chord of your circle. Clear, student? Now further we will see drawing a circle. Now we can draw a circle with the help of the compass. Clear, student? Now in this instrument is known as your compass. Clear? So with the help of this compass we can draw a circle. Now let's see how you will use this compass. Now this compass has 2 arms. One arm has a metal end. Clear, pointed metal end. Another arm is known as a pencil holder. Clear, everyone? So you have to place your pencil in this pencil holder. Now let's see how you will draw a circle. Now here we have to draw a circle with center X and radius of 5 cm. Now what you will do is, first of all you will attach the pencil to the pencil holder of the compass such that the metal end and the pencil are at the same level. Clear? Now what you will do, you will take your ruler and with the help of that ruler on your compass you will take the measure of 5 cm. Clear everyone? Now what you will do is, first you will mark a point X. Clear everyone, with the help of your pencil, and then you will place your compass. You have to place your compass. So what you will do, you will place the metal end of the compass on point X and you will draw a circle. Clear? So this is known as your circle with point X. Clear students, how you will draw a circle? Question number 2, draw circles with the radii given below. Now here the radius is given. With the help of this radius we have to draw the circle. So what you will do is, student, first of all what you will do, with the help of your compass you have to draw your circle. Clear? So what you will do, you will take, first you will take a point. Clear? A center point. Understood? Then we have to draw a circle of 2 cm. So take your ruler and here on your compass you will take the measure of 2 cm. Clear? Like this you will take the measure of 2 cm. Understood? After taking the measure of the 2 cm on your compass, what you have to do is, you will place your compass on the center of your circle, that is on point A. Point A is your center, and you will draw the circle. Clear? You will draw a circle. You have to draw the circle from the center of your circle, that is from point A. Clear everyone? Like this you have to draw this circle. This metal point you have to keep, see, this metal point you have to keep on point A. Clear? And you have to draw the circle. Clear everyone? Now what you will do is, we will show the radius on this. Clear? We have to show the radius. So just you will draw a line from the center of your circle till the end of your circle. Clear? So what will be the measure of this radius? That is 2 cm. Clear? So like this you have to draw the circle. Now let's see question number 3, which is on page number 54. Now let's see our question number 3, that is, we have to draw and name a diameter, a radius and a chord. So see how you will do. So first of all we have to draw a circle. You can take any measure and with the help of your compass you can draw a circle. Here I have taken the measure of 3 cm. Clear? Then mark your center and keep the metal end on your point, on your center, and draw a circle. Clear student? After drawing a circle, what we have to show in that? We have to show a diameter, radius and a chord. So first of all we will mark our radius. Take any point on the circle and draw a line. Clear? So this AB is your radius. Understood everyone? Now next we will mark a point on the other side of your circle, on the other side of your circle, and what we will do, we will draw a line. So we will get our chord, that is CD. Clear? Now next what we will do, next we will draw a line which passes through the center of your circle. It means what we will get? We will get our diameter, that is XY. Clear students? How you will show your radius, diameter and chord?